basically I have graduated in mathematics, okay, which is I'm completely non-tech and non-CS background, and then I have pursued for MCA Manipal University Jaipur. First of all, the curriculum was 10x curriculum was very good. Others are only teaching the web tech thing, and 10x Academy not asking for any upfront fee. Yes, first they told me to give a basic aptitude test. After clearing the aptitude test, there was I think 2 or 3 days pre-bootcamp session. In that pre-bootcamp, they told me basics about coding, software engineering, and how this bootcamp is going to work for next 6 months, and how this journey will make you to get a placement in a good product-based company. One-on-one mentor sessions are very good. Our mentors are some of our very good working in very good companies or tier 1 colleges, so they guided me very well, and their guidance and their interview session also very much closer to reality. What I have seen in interviews, I have gone through many interviews through LinkedIn and 10x also. The interviews, their concepts and the questions asked in interviews are very much similar what I have get in one-on-one session and interview sessions. Overall experience was very good. Everyone have different aspect of studying and learning. I got a problem with consistency, like 6 months or 7 months is not easy, and not easy everyone, especially for a person like me. So this bootcamp helped me to achieving that.